Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the data into Matlab right away. Load a table with Readable or the Import tool, then remove or impute missing entries so models learn clean patterns. Next, convert text to categorical and scale numeric columns with z-score or normalize. This prevents features from dominating. Once prepared, split using CV partition or simple ranperm into training and validation sets because you need an honest evaluation. Now you're ready to pick a learner and run an initial experiment. You should begin with a simple baseline like a decision tree or linear SVM so you know the problem difficulty. Then move to ensembles for better performance. Use crossful or CV partition with k-fold loss to estimate generalization error, and tune hyperparameters via Bayes-opt or fixfms built-in optim options to improve accuracy. For high-dimensional data, apply sequentials or PCA to reduce features and speed training. This also helps avoid overfitting. Once tuned, save the best model object. You now evaluate the final model on the holdout set, compute confusion matrix, ROC curves, and precision recall to understand trade-offs. If results are acceptable, export using save learner for coder, or generate function to deploy the model in production or embed in code. Make sure to document preprocessing steps and random seeds so results are reproducible. If something goes wrong, low accuracy or high variance, check class imbalance, feature leaks, and inconsistent preprocessing as the first troubleshooting move.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.